If you're watching this, you know you are in Andhra Zoo. The amazing prawn malai curry, the most authentic way, just became that much more simpler. All you do is take some prawns. I've taken 6 medium sized prawns. I've cleaned them properly, washed it thoroughly, and now I'm gonna just quickly put in some salt and turmeric and set it aside to marinate for 15 minutes. In a medium pan on medium heat, I'm gonna heat a tablespoon of mustard oil. I'm gonna lightly saute the prawns and then presenting Happy Curry Malai Curry, a curry in a packet which makes your life, my life, everyone's life so much more convenient. I'm gonna just dump in the Happy Curry Malai Curry onto the pan and let it all simmer and become beautiful. It's an amazing dish, just comes together in 5 minutes, and all you did was wash some prawns and open a packet of curry. Cheers!